Hey, what if I tell you today I got one more sale on my new store? Hi, my name is Mohan. I am a store owner of Creator Studio 99 and my second store is Crevia Studio Design. So here, let me show you what I got today for you guys and on my new store what I have done new and what kind of sale that I'm getting there. So let me go to my store that is Crevia Design Studio. You can see here we have 11 sales now and let me show you the sales that I got. It is again Divi, but the good part is here. I'm getting the sales here. With my small product, but also I'm getting messages from the clients regarding my other listing also, which is for hire WordPress developer. Let me show you that. See here, I got a message from my client today and it seems like it's working for me, and I'm hoping that this store will again rise up for me in a new future very soon. Maybe in a 6 month I'll see at least 100 sales, maybe more than that. And obviously the order value will be higher side, as I'm assuming from my previous experience that I have. So let's see how it will go, and let's move to my old store that is Creator Studio 99. You can see three handsome men here, and let me show you something very crazy thing. One second. You can see here, I got one custom order, and I'll not show you the value, but it's very high, and I got it from my one of the customer who bought something smaller things from my store, and then I upsell him the custom order which required for the work that he needs to be done. So I believe this kind of things will gonna make this store to grow more, and my future planning with this store is to add up new stuff. The digital stuff I'm going to add it more, which is doesn't need any other output after it get purchased. So I'm hoping it will be like a proper digital product. Somebody bought it and they will get downloaded from my store easily, and hope so everything will go on a top notch side, and hoping to get it done by soon. So if anybody who is looking for to get this store up and want any kind of consultation, hit the link below. I'll be there for you, and see you soon. Thank you so much.